In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and add an activity totals card to your records in HubSpot. By the end, you'll have a quick, at-a-glance summary of calls, emails, meetings, and other logged activities right on your record pages, so your team can understand engagement without digging through timelines. Start by opening your browser, heading to your preferred search engine, and typing HubSpot. Click the official HubSpot website and log into your account. Make sure you're using a profile with permission to edit record layouts. If you can access settings and record customization, you're good to go. Once you're in, look for the gear icon at the top of the screen. That's your settings area. Click it, and on the left sidebar, find Objects. This is where you control how records look and behave for contacts, companies, deals, tickets, and any custom objects you might use. Inside Objects, open Record Customization. Think of this as the blueprint for what your users will see on individual record pages. Here, choose to create a team view. Team views let you tailor a layout for a specific group without changing the default for everyone, which is great for keeping things relevant to each role. You'll land in the Layout Editor. Look for the plus icon that lets you add a new card to the record page. Click it to insert a card where you want the activity totals to appear. Many teams place it near the top, so important activity counts are visible immediately. Next, choose to create a card. When prompted, name the card Activity Totals and, if available, add a brief description so teammates understand what it shows. The goal is a compact snapshot of engagement volume, helping you spot momentum or stalls at a glance. You'll be asked to choose an object type. Pick the object where you want this card to live, such as contacts, companies, or deals. If you need it on multiple objects, you can repeat this process later, but for now, select the one that matters most for your workflow. Click Save to confirm the card details. Then, save again at the top right of the Layout Editor to publish the changes to the team view. Your layout is now live. To check your work, open a record of the object you selected. You should see the Activity Totals card showing counts of recent interactions. If you don't see data, make sure activities are being logged on that record. And that's it. Your HubSpot records now surface clear, actionable activity summaries right where your team needs them.